On our first day back in Tokyo, we explored the Ginza area where we got a custom-made tote bag, checked out the coolest concept car, admired all the beautiful architecture, and attempted to do some tax-free shopping at Don Quixote. In today's video, we explore Hakone, located in the Kanagawa Prefecture. We'll be hopping aboard a pirate ship and sailing Lake Ashi to get the best views of Mount Fuji. Join us today as we explore Hakone.
From that, good morning.
Good morning! Today we are heading over to Hakone. It is in the Kanagawa Prefecture. It's a nice little onsen town, like about an hour and a half away from here. But it's going to be sort of a transportation day.
Yeah, we're going to be taking a bus, a train of course, and well,
a cable car, and a pirate ship.
And a pirate ship.
Yeah.
That's so cool. Yeah.
We should have a really fun day exploring Hakone for one whole day, and we'll take you guys along.
Yes.
Let's go explore.
Like we said, it's going to be a whole lot of transportation.
Oh, seems fascination.
It's like trains going left to the right of us. Oh my goodness, a track over.
Every chance you get, you'll stop for a train. I can understand though, because the Japanese trains are
the railway system is
superior.
Top notch, yeah. And the train rides are so smooth, right? Yeah.
Under the biggest torii gate that we've ever seen.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Finally made it to Hakone.
Hakone! We're here. We have limited time and we're going to make the most of it.
Yes.
Let's go. We are here standing in front of the beautiful Lake Ashi. We can see the pirate ship right behind us, but right now the first place that we want to go is right there. There's the Hakone Shrine there. It's a famous, very popular Shinto shrine here, but those are the peace gates. It's the torii gates that are kind of like floating on the water. So we're super excited to take a walk and go all the way around and show you some of what Hakone is about. Hakone is actually sitting at the foot of Mount Fuji. We're not seeing that right now, but we'll see it when we kind of
get on the ship.
So let's go check out the torii gate.
Quick facts on this place. It is a UNESCO geopark.
It's kind of known as an onsen town. You think of Hakone and it has a lot of onsens. And so it's not just popular among tourists, but also locals who might come here on holidays and also the weekends.
Yeah.
So we can attest to this. It is
a little, and it is a weekend too. So how the onsens work is because it is a geothermal active location, because it used to be a volcano before. It's actually active, and that causes the steams to rise.
Quite a crowd here.
Yeah, so
As expected. I always read all the reviews on Google before coming somewhere, but we expected this. The line is so long. But you can always, I think, like a quick tip here is to kind of come up the stairs, and when you feel like the tour gate is almost at eye level, just take your photos from here if you don't care about waiting.
I feel like some of the reviews do state like about an hour long wait. So if you guys are okay with an hour long wait, then yeah, sure, why not? But with us, we're gonna get to sightseeing a little bit
and get on the boat.
Get on the boat. Yeah.
Let's go. This is so cool. It's like boarding like one of those royal luxury cruises.
Yeah.
But it's like a pirate ship. There's an elevator on the ship.
On the ship, yeah.
Well, number one, we've never been on a cruise ship. This is so cool.
Yeah.
Hopefully we see that outside. Wow. We are aboard the Queen Ashi.
It's so cool, man.
Oh my god.
On board of a ship, a pirate ship. It's so cool.
Let's go up there.
Guys, this has got to be one of the coolest experiences they've ever been on, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it was free with the free pass.
Yeah, so with the free pass, it's included, the cable car is included, which we're about to go on next. The buses, the trains are included.
Yeah.
So yeah, we highly recommend this trip so far.
It was so nice. It was super scenic, and you get views of Mount Fuji and the Torii Gate and the, you know, all the beautiful red and yellow mustard,
autumn leaves.
autumn leaves.
Yeah. So awesome. So awesome.
It's just been a wonderful day.
Yeah.
We are here at Wakadani. Check this out.
I know.
Amongst like volcanic activity.
That is amazing.
This was such an incredible experience. I think they're calling it's the last call for the ropeway. So we have to go.
We don't want to get stranded here.
Yeah, this is a beautiful experience, guys. You have to do this.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Wow.
It's about to be a transportation blog because we have just been zooming up and down Hakone in all modes of transportation.
Yeah.
At least you guys will know where to go and what to take.
Yeah. But yeah, so we're about to go on the cable car.
Yes. This is the famous Tozan cable car.
Yes. This is what you call front row seats with a nice view.
This is so cool. This is the first time we're sitting all the way in the front, right behind the train operator.
Yeah, it's so cool.
It's gonna be the incident itself.
After the Tozan cable car ride is you take the train over to the Odawara station.
Yeah. So thankfully everything is included because we thought that, since everything was closing down, we thought that we were going to have to pay extra to get to the Odawara station.
Yes.
And then from the Odawara station
To Shinjuku.
to Shinjuku. It's all included.
It's all included.
Yeah, so I'll leave the link down below. But it's been an incredible day. So what are your thoughts and what are some insights?
I really loved the experience of whatever we got to experience, right? And then just wish we had more time. So the bus took a really long time. It was a weekend. There was a lot of traffic, and then also it kind of gets dark pretty early.
Yes.
So around 4:30 it gets pretty dark. So yeah, it kind of cuts through our experience
Yeah,
pretty
even
short.
though we started our day off at between 8:30 and 9:30, we didn't reach Hakone until 2 p.m.
Yeah.
2:10, and then we had 2.5 hours to complete everything. But really, we wanted to go on the swan boat. We didn't go on there. I think the best advice we could give you is, if you're gonna come, just try to come here early, and try not to come during the weekends.
Yes.
Try to come during the weekday, and just know you have to take into account that buses may have delays and stuff. So
And then also try to activate your pass not on the day up, which we did not know. If we knew about that, we could
would have
have
done it
activated, just so you're not standing in line at the customer service desk.
So you can do it a few days or even a week prior, but just let them know when you're gonna use it. I think.
Yes.
But yeah, those are the lessons.
But overall, it's been a wonderful experience. Really, really recommend coming on this.
This is so
Yeah,
epic.
it's really
Today
worth
was so cool.
worth what we paid. It came out to, I believe, $30-$40 something like that.
Yeah.
Which is not bad at all. That includes transportation, and that's transportation on many different modes up.
Right. So it's train, cable car, the ship, and you can ride them unlimited times.
Yes,
if you
back
have
and
the
forth,
time.
back and forth. Yeah. So, and it's also a 2-day pass. So,
Exactly. And
except for that one part where from Shinjuku to Odawara is not covered. It's only covered one day. Yeah. So
it's sort of a bummer, but when you come here and you experience this, actually the best advice we give you is, instead of a day trip, just come to Hakone, stay here a couple of days, also maybe experience an onsen, and then make your way down, maybe up to Kyoto or Osaka, complete the Golden Triangle. This was so nice. Next on WeWanderlustCo.
it keeps getting better. Yeah.